Hello viewers, today we are going to be refurbishing an older Trimline telephone. I'm unsure of the brand because there's no identifying markings on it anywheres. It does work, we tested it out. It has a mechanical ringer, so that's kind of cool. We do have screws in the handset, so hopefully this will come apart relatively easily. It's not super dirty, but the buttons are a little bit sticky, and the base could use a good cleaning as well. So hopefully this comes apart easily. We can get this cleaned up. Well, those hopes are out the window. Okay. It doesn't look like it wants to come. Okay, well this is not in the least cooperating. Well, looks like this will be a unit we may just have to clean. Oh no, wait, there it goes. It's coming. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's see here. We got a few more screws to undo. These appear to be just weights. Okay, so that's the electronics board out. This is a little bit sticky, so we do want to get that cleaned. Looks like we have gold-plated contacts. Very simple board. It's remarkable how simple these are compared to what we have today. There's almost nothing that you can't take off of here and replace if it goes bad. And this, oh, that's going to be a pain in the rear to clean. Looks like these buttons are individual individual things. Oh jeez. Okay, and I guess this is just weights. That's kind of interesting. So we'll set these pieces aside to get cleaned. I have to figure out what to do about those. And let's see what we can do with the base here. I'm guessing the screws are probably under these feet, which have been on there for who knows how many years, and they probably don't want to come off. Yeah, those are hardened well past their time. Yeah, we don't have any hope of pulling those out. Well, for the base, easy enough. We'll just have to wipe it down manually. Alright, I'm going to go get this stuff cleaned, and we'll be back on the video. Alright, while that is drying, we're going to clean the board. And it is working fine, but there is some sticky residue on there a little bit, so we're going to clean that off. Alright, it looks pretty good. Okay, everything has been cleaned. The buttons were really a pain in the rear on all accounts to clean, but they are clean now. Yeah, 3, 1, I still have water in them still. Cheese. Make sure all of them are here. So 1, 2, 3. Hashing. Asterisks. 5. 6 or 9, who really knows? 4, 5. No, we'll do that. 4, 5, 6. 8, 0. Function key 1 and function key 2. So we are missing, let's see, we're missing 7 and either 6 or 9. Now, how in the world did that happen? I have to go see if I can find them. I found them, they were just showing by the sink, I guess. Not sure how I missed them, but anyways. Well, the 9 and the 6 actually appear to be identical, so that's great. I guess we'll just pick them at random and put them in. Now this will be interesting, making sure these are all in the right place. Need asterisk, 0, hash. Yep, that's right. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm going to swap these because the last row seems to be worn out more than the others. So we'll have it as matching as possible. Yeah, that looks good, so we'll go with that. These two don't carry a label, so those don't really matter how they go in. All right. Okay, we'll put this on first, and then screw in the rest of the stuff. Get that LED aligned in there so that it goes down where it's supposed to. Looks right about there. Okay, that's good. You'd never see a manufacturer today putting weights in their stuff just to make it feel good. Screws are actually a bit stripped there. I like that when I took them apart too. Okay, that looks good. Time to close it up again. Okay. Now we are ready to make a test call. The microphone's got a little bit of water in there still. Alright, this should be good now. Just switch it over to the other phone line here. And let's call. Still a little hair sticky, unfortunately. Hello? Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Seems to be working correctly. Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hello. Okay, that seems to work. That's a bummer that 5 is still sticky. I don't know what's going on there. It works okay. Just a little bit sticky. I guess I'll get better with use. Alright. That's going to wrap that up. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.